I am entering the clinic. I am talking to the receptionist. I am sitting in the waiting room. I am reading a health poster. The nurse is calling my name. I am walking to the doctor's cabin. I am opening the door. I am telling my problem to the doctor. The doctor is checking my pulse. The doctor is looking at my throat. I am taking a deep breath. The nurse is checking my weight. I am standing near the height scale. The doctor is writing a prescription. I am walking to the medical store. I am showing the prescription to the chemist. The chemist is giving me the medicine. I am paying the bill. I am putting the medicine in my bag. I am wearing my mask. I am leaving the clinic.